Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable camera in Windows 11 PC using Device Manager. For this, first right click on this one Start button and here select Device Manager option. In the Device Manager window, double click on Cameras. Here you will find your camera entry. Select the camera and right click on it. Then choose Disable Device option. Click on Yes button. This will disable your camera and you will see a down arrow button in the camera. To enable it, select this one camera entry, right click on it and check this one option, Enable Device. This will again turn on the camera on your Windows 11 PC.